In the recent times, if there's one technology or a technological device that has become almost obsolete, is the DVD player, isn't it? How many of us are really using it? But let's try to go back into time and get to know a little bit about the history of a DVD player. The first DVD player is claimed to have been created by the Japanese electronics vendor Toshiba in November 1996, and the first to be released to the US customers first is claimed to have been by Sony in April 1997. Some manufacturers originally had announced that the DVD players would be available as early as the middle of 1996. These predictions were too optimistic. Delivery was initially held up for political reasons of copy protection that was demanded by the movie studios, but it was later delayed by the lack of movie titles. The first players appeared in Japan on the 1st of November 1996, followed by the United States on 31st of March 1997, with distribution limited to only 7 major cities for the first 6 months. DVD players slowly trickled into other regions around the world. Prices for the first DVD players in 1997 had started at $600 and could top out at prices over $1,000. Fujitsu had released the first DVD-ROM equipped computer on the 6th of November in Great Britain. Toshiba then released a DVD-ROM equipped computer and a DVD-ROM drive in Japan in early 1997.